First trading day of the week for me. We're bullish on gold and S&P futures. Those are the two futures that we trade. And we've got big bearish retracements right now. So we're just waiting to see a little change in structure, delivering back up to the upside. Hopefully we can get in with the last 30 minutes of the session, but it's definitely looking like it may be a no trade day. Just trying to exercise that patience and consistently working towards sticking to my plan. Let's go. It looks like we're definitely heavy S&P today. So this big gap right here is a 4-hour imbalance zone. Then on gold, this big one right here is a 2-hour imbalance. Why we're rolling with the S&P post of gold is because the bearish movement on the S&P has been a little more methodical rather than just a big push down. On gold, we've got big imbalances to the downside because boom, we got big push downs, which means that price can easily respect that on its way up and continue bearish. And we're going bullish, so we're more focused on S&P today. Hopefully this gap right here gets covered up and then we get a better entry where we can scale down a little bit to still get our 1 to 3 if gold offers us anything, but looking like S&P day or no trades. We got 10 minutes left in this session. We've got a buy limit order set on gold futures right now. Probably won't get tapped in, but we'll see. Let's take a look real quick. So we wait for all this downside momentum to clear out and then get inversed. We got an inversion right here, which closed beyond halfway on the 2-minute chart. Also creating an imbalance right here to the upside, as well as breaking structure. So now we just set the order at this retracement zone right inside of that gap right here, fair value gap or imbalance, whatever you want to call it. And then we're looking to take this thing 1 to 3. It's 7:51 right now, so 9 minutes to see if we get an entry. Wow. That's pretty painful. So we were scanning the S&P and we got a very quick setup. Had to really focus up to catch it, but floating 630 right now, we're just floating 800. Could easily retrace and take us back to 0, but we're gonna go ahead and bring this stop to break even with our risk being 500. We're a little past 1 to 1. Looking to take it up to 1500 and get in profit on these Topstep evaluations. Let's go. Put together a better trading day today. Pretty proud of what we put out today just by sticking to the plan and being patient. Had to exercise a lot of patience. We saw this entry right here very late, or sorry, it's this one right here, which is also overlapping this bearish gap, and broke structure right here. So we took the quick retracement and then took it 1 to 2. It went close to 1 to 3, but price got a little janky around here, so we had to just take profit after 8 o'clock.